What's up, guys?
Hey!
We got our watches in finally. It's like 7 o'clock. I'm sure the UPS drivers were really busy today, but I've been waiting on it almost all day.
All day.
First world problems. Anyway, so we got ours in. I'm excited to unbox mine.
Yeah.
And let's see, you got, which one did you get?
I got the gold stainless steel.
Yep, and I got space gray with the sport loop.
Yep.
Which I probably won't wear that band very often, but
and then we also had a newborn, or we had a baby.
This
since
is our newest
we ordered
Ezra.
the Apple Watch, so.
The latest and greatest.
Yep, so, here we go.
Let's see if I can do this while holding on. Oh, this is gonna be hard, that looks.
Ooh.
They changed the boxes up, it looks like. No, I guess these are kind of like the sport boxes were.
Yeah. And then...
That's different. I wonder if those circles are for at the bottom. Alright, let's see here.
Circles at the bottom.
Probably won't be able to see this.
Who else got an Apple Watch today? Let us know if you feel like commenting.
Oh, look at this. That's fancy.
Ooh, that's different.
Ooh.
It's like Christmas morning.
Oh.
I don't know if you guys heard that, but
I'm sure it was well heard.
Ezra just
that was
graced
Ezra, not
us
me.
with poop.
Oh, that's different. So they put the band in its own box, and the watch in its own other box.
Cool. So your box has black on it. Mine has the gold on there.
Yep. So I got space black, or I'm sorry, space gray, and then sport loop, which is by itself. That's different than they've done before. I wonder why they changed it up.
Yeah.
All right, let's see here. Ooh, I like these little pads. Check that out.
Yeah. So.
Keep it all protective.
Oh,
this might be good to
nice.
When you're traveling, like if you want to throw in your bag.
Watch inside of it.
Yeah, it'll keep it from getting scratched and stuff.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad that they got rid of the huge red dot and just made it a little ring.
There's a little red ring now.
I was on the side of not liking that thing at all.
We thought maybe somebody lost a bet or something with the red thing.
Yeah, in the design department. All right. Let me see this. I'm excited to see the screen. I'm curious to see that new. Ooh, that color is nice. I like that color.
Yeah, that's really nice.
That's a real gold, not the pink.
Yeah.
Like they did in the past.
I like
Ooh, these are nice.
Yeah, that's cool. Cool. And
it's weird by itself
the regular
without the bands on it.
Stuff here. Yep. Cool. Awesome.
So yeah, I'm gonna get my bands on it.
I'm gonna like just skip out on the band that it came with, just because.
Same here.
I'm gonna just throw on my triple tour for it.
I got mine set up. It's almost finished here. I like it though. It's a good size. I had the 42 before, so not really much has changed of the case size. To me, the screen's obviously way bigger though. That's pretty sweet. I'll be able to tell more once I get to set up the complications and stuff like that, different watch faces. So I'm excited to see how that'll look.
Yeah.
Of course, you'll start seeing some images from us with the new watches.
Yep.
As we get some going.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, so it looks great. I really like it. I actually like it with the tan a lot too. The gold stainless steel with the tan band looks cool. Yeah.
Hey, there we go. Press the digital crown to start. Oh, that is so weird. Yeah, it feels, I mean, it still feels like a button, but it's not actually a button.
Yeah.
Oh, that is nice. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that in there. That's one of my favorite faces, the chronograph one. But now it's got more complications in the corners over there. Sorry, little man.
Yeah, here they are.
Yep, I'm excited to use it a little bit more. Hopefully I won't have to use the fall detection or anything like that.
Yeah, so anyway.
Let us know what you guys got in the comments below.
For sure.
Or if you're still waiting on yours, because we do have one that we're still waiting on that we use for pictures and stuff like that. So
yeah,
they seem to be pretty popular.
Yeah, we're excited. Let us know what color you got and what band you're gonna wear with it too. That would be awesome. Okay, have a good one.
See you guys.